Okay, so here's my favorite question. What kind of money can I make as a day trader? And this is something that everybody always asks me. The first thing they say to me, they message me and they say, hey, I want to day trade as a career. How much do you think I can make? Or the other one is, how long will it take before I can not have to work anymore? So a very broad question, a very linear answer I give to people when they ask me how much money can I make. Nothing until you're actually able to prove that you can make it. But in all seriousness, how much money can you make as a day trader? Day traders can range anywhere from making $50 a day just to suffice a minimum wage, just to suffice bills, just to pay their way, all the way up to say $25,000, $50,000 a day. This is all gauged on your experience. So there's day traders that I see making 10 grand a day and they're happy with that. There's day traders I work with who make $25,000 to $50,000 a day and they're happy with that. There's day traders I also work with who make $10 a day and they're happy with the experience. And then there's people who make $100 to $200 every single day and they are in the grind, and that's what they want and that's what they need in order to live. So the range that you can make in day trader goes all the way from minimum wage to making more than professional athletes. This becomes a test of how much knowledge did you learn? How well did it stick with you? Were you able to be somebody who was better than your average day trader, right? So kind of that competitive nature. There's a lot of different reasons why somebody would make $100 a day versus somebody who makes $50,000 a day. Those reasons range everywhere from time in the career, experience, quality of education, natural talents such as skill, how fast they can adapt learning, how good they are under pressure, the decisions they make. So there's quite a few different things that gauge your career. But to answer how much money you can make as a day trader, it's anywhere from $50 a day or sometimes even zero for people, all the way up to 50,000 or more a day, right? Again, we have the ability to make more than professional athletes as day traders. So this really just becomes the question of your own work, your own ethics, your own ability to become this day trader that you want to be. How far did you take it? How good were you? How was your time management and all these other things? So just imagine it like a ranking system. If you are 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 across the board, you're probably going to fare very well. If you're struggling in a lot of these categories, time management, decision making, stress, the depression that hits day traders, all these different factors, all these variables, if you rank it a 0 to 1 or 2 or 3 in all of these, you're probably not going to do very well. So I would just ask the question, how good are you?